right, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. If you are new to the channel, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. I really encourage that you subscribe to the channel. If you want, you can go look around the page and see if you want to subscribe and then subscribe after that or look around the channel. But if you are a bestie to the channel, hey girl, hey, thank you guys so much for stopping by another video. So in this one, I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes. As you can see, I don't know why I have $5.94 here, but I only took out $5.89, and I confirmed that with the receipt and the amount of money that I counted. So I'm just going to be using this, and then I did take some side hustle money to fund some of these envelopes. So let's get started. I already took my coins and did away with that. So now I am going to unstuff my envelopes. So in groceries, I had $1 left. I am also using the So Krafty Sanaa, the mini zippy. This will be linked down below if you're interested. This is the household envelope, and I have left over $32. And then the toiletries, I have left over $6. And these are coins that I have in here. And I think that's it. So let's count how much money we have left over. $20, $30, $35, $36, $37, $38, $39. So we have $39. I am going to be taking this $39 and I'm going to be adding it to my nail shop envelope. Okay. At first I was gonna put that money towards debt, but I decided to not. Oh, I don't know why I'm putting this up. So we are gonna be starting with my grocery envelope. So I do have here my cash envelope breakdown sheet. I do use the Budget Mom's budgeting system, and this form is in there. So I am going to be stuffing $175. So that is 6 20s. And then it is $150 bill. So let's count. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 150, 170, and then a $5 bill, 175. I think I added more. I don't even know. I need to find this. I don't even know what the side hustle money is going to go to, because I should have added it here. I don't know why I didn't. I think I added it like on a scratch piece of paper, which I'm sure I can't find. I'm always writing on a scratch piece of paper, and then I can't find it when I need it. So I need a notebook. All right, household is going to be getting $60, which is 3 20s. I think I had put some of that towards household too. I know for sure. And then toiletries is gonna be getting $60 as well. I need to find that scratch piece of paper. If I showed you guys all of the scratch paper I had, you'd be like, girl, get a notebook. And I have so many notebooks, I just don't use them. I don't know. I am not giving anything to hair and none of this. So we're done with my daily wallet. Now I'm gonna bring out my sinking funds wallet. And here, HOA is $133, and the HOA is going to be getting a $100 bill, a 20, a 10, and then 3 ones. This is half of my HOA bill. I do take it out in cash, and then at the end of the month I deposit it and make my HOA payment. It's 1, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3. it just works for me that way. I like doing it that way. Yeah. So then next is trash. That gets $19, which is, goodness, I need to go get my glasses. Where is it? Where'd it go? Okay. A 10, a 5, and 4 ones. 10, a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. My trash bill is due once a quarter. And so this will be due in December. I'm saving a little bit at a time so that my bill will be paid in full. And then next is car registration. This is going to be getting $12, which is a 10 and 2 ones. Here in Cali, we pay for our car registration once a year, and it is not cheap. It runs me about $300 a year. And I have a 2017 car. So they be getting us, y'all. All right, next is Costco. My friends always talk about me with Costco. They're like, you always at Costco. And I'm like, no, I'm not. But anyway, $5 for Costco because that is going to be coming up soon. The renewal will be due in March of next year. And then next is AAA, 110 and 15. And that's the same thing with AAA. I pay for me and my daughter. This is going to be coming up to be due as well. And then next is debt. That's going to be getting $30. I'm going to be giving a new updated minimum due amount. So since I've paid off some debt already, if you haven't caught that video, please make sure you watch it. I have some updated totals on there, some debt payoff, and I'm revealing my credit score. Ooh-wee. So the credit cards that I did pay off, they all had minimum payments. So I need to add those up so I know how much money to take out of the bank every time that I get paid in October, which would go towards the next debt that is up to be paid off. And then next is savings. I am saving money as I am paying off debt. Why this is not in order, I don't know. So that's a 50, a 20, and a 10. Yes, I do want to continue to save money. All right. And that's it. So I know I have here the rest of the money. Let me see if I can find my, well, let me also, before I put this up, where's the nail shop? Is that in here? No, that's in my self-care binder. I should be getting my braids done this week, hopefully. I have some updates to this envelope and the style I'm gonna get, but the nail shop will be getting the leftover money. And then I'm also still going to be saving out of my regular paychecks. Okay, so I need to figure out where this money goes. Give me a second. I found it really quickly. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, so groceries was gonna get an extra $25. So here's my scratch piece of paper. I'm telling y'all how I do it. Now listen, I was thinking about a video topic, how to actually save money when it is hard to. Tell me if you guys would like to see that video. But anywho, here's my little sheet that I need to figure out where the rest of the money goes. So $25, a 20, and a 5 is gonna go in groceries. So now I have $200 for groceries. And so I think you guys told me that you'd love to see another grocery haul. And in this grocery haul, which I'm not even gonna lie, I'm afraid because I said I was gonna go to a more higher end grocery store. That's why I did $200, but to be honest, I'm like, shoot, bump that. I think I'm just gonna go to the State of Brothers. Okay, household is gonna get an extra $40 because I need to buy detergent and all the stuff that goes with washing clothes, because I've been washing. And then next is gonna be toiletries. Is gonna get an extra $40 too. Toiletries is I need to re-up some lotions and stuff. And then what is this? This $50 is going towards nails. So I did take money out because I will need to go to the nail shop to get my nails done and to get my toes done, my lip wax, my eyebrows arched, do all the things. All right, you guys, that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back